764 Young Sam Adam. We're still going. 37. 764 Young Sam Adam, 412 westbound, coming up to Latrell. Speed's 125, coming to Robinson. It's on a Chevy Cruise, I think, brown in color. Speed's 135, still westbound.
46 by the Rock Club.
DC was 77 on 45, crossing the Illinois River. Speed's 142. He's pulling away from me. I got it in the floor. He's about to wreck out. Wreck out, roll over. In the air, 1016. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Is it just you in there? Are you by yourself? Sounds like a female, but I can't see or hear anything. I can't get the flash. Let me go get my window punch and some gloves. You can just watch it. See if you can get any light. How many people are in the car? How many people's in there? How many people's in there? How many people are in the car with you? Is it just you, or is there other people in there? Who is in the car with you? Hey, cover your face. We're going to bust the window. We're trying to extract. We're trying to stop. I think we have at least more than one occupant. We're trying to break them I can't. I'm going to try for this one with my window punch if you can just watch. Hey, grab your flashlight. Because we can't see and we can't tell who's all in there. I'll try. You try that side, I'll try this side. There's a flashlight. Better. Yeah, there's a female right there. I don't know about anywhere else. One occupant, female. I want to try to punch this window. I think there's too much pressure on it for it to shatter. in. Okay. There's what I'm going to have you do. Look this way and cover your face, okay? I'm going to bust that window over there. Yeah, she's strapped. She's strapped. It's like the headrest has her back pinned. This is not going to break. Yeah, well, she's like right there. But, yeah, she's like right there. But yeah. Here, I've got a crowbar. Here, yeah. Let's get your crowbar. All right. Okay. Well, we've got an ambulance coming. What? Here. You're good, you're good.
I can't.
Okay. If you can't, don't try to force it, okay?
The seat is fully pitting me. I can
Okay,
feel it.
I got you. What's your name?
I'm panicked.
You panicked?
I didn't mean to run. I panicked.
Okay. Hey. I don't. Hold on. What's your name? What's your first name? What's your name?
Krista.
Trista?
Yeah.
Okay.
Krista Bunch.
Bunch?
Bunch.
Okay. What's your birthday, Trista? What's your birthday? What's your birthday?
3/27/06.
Okay. They're just trying to get you out, okay? Keep talking. You're okay. You're talking to me. It's just you in the car, right? Nobody else was with you?
No, what?
Just you?
It's just
Okay. Okay.
I was trying to get somewhere because I was super late and I panicked.
Okay. Where do you live, Trista? Where do you live?
Rogers.
Okay. All right.
I was running like 40 minutes late, and so I just was panicking.
Okay. Then when you saw the blue lights, you just...
What?
When you saw my blue lights, you just
I
panicked?
saw the lights and I panicked.
Okay.
I knew I should have pulled over, but I panicked and I just...
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. The headrest of the seat is pinning her back. Yeah.
I can't reach anything. I could turn it off if I had my phone.
That's okay. Yeah, so she's basically between the back seat and the front seat. The front seat's got her pinned in the back. So even if we had that open, we can't get her out. Hey Trista, is this your phone? You turn the music off at least? Okay. ambulance coming.
Okay.
They're coming.
The seat is fully bending me. It hurts.
I know. Can you feel your legs at all?
I can feel my legs.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Wish we could get her out of there. But until we can get this lifted and the doors open. Who's that? Oh, Spam? Okay.
I've never been pulled over before, and so I just panicked.
Well, you're still talking to me, so that's a good day, okay? Huh? What's your address?
371 West Road.
Okay.
Rogers 72758.
Okay. Where's my EMS at? I got it, man. You go.
I'll go down there. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Hey, Trista, so you can't crawl out at all?
No.
Okay.
It's hitting me by the ribs.
Okay.
I can feel it pressing down.
What?
I can feel it pressing down.
Okay, all right. Where were you trying to get to?
Just farther, like 10 minutes away or whatever. Just silo, right
Was it-
over by the auction house.
Okay, was it for work or something?
It was for a personal matter.
Oh.
I was supposed to be somewhere earlier, and then I was watching a show and got caught up.
Okay.
And so I panicked.
Okay. I'm gonna watch her. Yeah. Here, this is your flashlight.
Okay.